Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the blocked numbers. Tap add a number, and here just manually enter number which bothering you. Tap block, and this number will never reach you again and will never disturb you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.